Friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a split screen in DaVinci Resolve 19. Now as you can see in my media pool here, I have two video clips here, right? And I'm going to do a split screen using both. So let me go ahead and drag, for example, this one here with this guy into my timeline first. For no reason, I'm just going to choose this one first. And the second one, I will put it to the top. Now, keep in mind, if you're adding a second video track into your timeline and you don't have an extra track, let me remove it. You will see what's going to happen. If I try to add the second one, you will most likely realize that it might not add the media chart there. So as you can see, I have two media chart. Let me go ahead and remove this one as well. So you will see. So I have only one video track. And if I try to add, it will not add that media track. It will try to go down onto that current one. So before you do that, you want to go ahead and right click here in this section, add a second media track, and you will see that it is added into this section here. So you can drag that second video and put it into that timeline now above this one. Now, in order to create the split screen, you want to ensure that on the upper right hand side, you can select the video that you want and just simply click and inspect. So you want to ensure that you have the inspect option available. And once you click on that video track, you will see that you have those different options to available to you once you select inspect. You can select the video and you can just click and inspect on the upper right hand side. So once you do that, you'll have that available to you. Now, in order to create the split screen, it is very easy. You want to manage two things. You want to manage the crop, and under the transform you want to manage the position. So as you can see, my below video is fine at the moment. Afterwards I will position this one, but the first one I want to crop this because it has a lot of block space on this right hand side. So I can crop it, and you can either write in the values towards the right hand side if you know it in the left and the right crop, or you can just easily grab and click where you have the the values here, and you can drag them to the left or to the right. So as you can see, it says crop right. I can do that, and I can just click and just move my mouse towards the right or to the left. So as you can see, I'm moving it towards the right side, and it's making space for the video behind. Now you can make this 50-50 if you want, but because of the and in the video, I just would like to have the and show properly. So I will just leave it just about there. Now, the second video, if I play this video right now, you realize that it is not really showing the guy face properly, right? And I would like to move him here so I can see him properly. So in order to move this, you want to manage the position under the transform. So what you want to do from here, ensure that you click on the right video before you start to make position. Because if you click on the first video and start to play around with these axes, you realize it start to move the first video. So you want to ensure that you don't make any changes there, and you select the correct video first. So you want to select the second video, which I'm doing here by clicking this guy, right? And then from here, I am going to go ahead and play around with the Y value. So I'm going to drag this Y value towards the right hand side. And as you can see, the guy is now moving towards the right. And that's it. So once I go ahead and position him very nicely there, then you see that I have him available to me right here. And that's it, guys. Now you can easily go ahead and play this video. As you can see, I'm going to play this right now, and you're going to see that it looks perfect. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple, guys. That's how you go ahead and create a split screen in DaVinci Resolve 19, guys.